All right, guys. So in this video, we'll talk about the VirtualBox and Kali Linux live installation. We will see what are the steps, and I will show you the live that how we can install that. Okay, so the first step we need to go on a website. So we need to go on virtualbox.org to download VirtualBox. So after downloading the VirtualBox, we need to download as per our configuration. So after downloading, we can install that. I'll show you that how we can install that. Then we will go in this kali.org, get Kali. This is the offensive, you can say offensive security website where we will download the OVA file of Kali for VirtualBox. So whenever you will see the OVA file, that means it relates to VirtualBox. After that, we will, okay, so this is the next step that how we will download. And then we will just install that just by double click on that, and it will take all the specific configuration automatically. Okay, so let me start it and let me show you that how you have to just follow me step by step, and I'll try to um, if there will be any problem, then you are most welcome to just post the question here. So okay, so let me VirtualBox simply, right? So you need to go here, just go here, open virtualbox.org, click on this VirtualBox 6.1. Okay, so now it is asking for the which platform do you want. So it means whether your host is Windows or Linux or something else. So mine is Windows, so I will just click on that Windows host, right? So it will start downloading. So you can see here it is downloading. Let me click here. Okay, you can see this is the what the things is downloading, but I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. But yeah, let me show you that how you can install it. So here you can see VirtualBox 6.1, right? So you need to just click or double click on that and just wait for the instruction, right? So let's click next. So I've already installed, that's why it is telling to remove or something. uh, Okay, so I'm just removing it to again installing it. Okay, so it will ask for yes or no. So just click on yes and let it be complete. Okay, so it's still installing. Okay, removing the shortcuts. Firstly, it's removing my VirtualBox, the original one, because I'm showing you again. That's why I'm just removing my older one. Okay, finish. Right. So let me check my VirtualBox if it is here. It is here, right? So it has been installed. Okay. Okay, so I think it's removed, right? So because I already have, yes, it's been removed, right? So now what I will do, now I will install it. So double click on that. From here your procedure is start, because I have already installed that. That's why that was the removal procedure, and this is the installation procedure. Just follow it. Click on next. Next. You want to create these shortcuts, then you are most welcome. You can just click on next. Warning, network references, installing these things, proceed with the installation now. Yes, install it. Now it will take some time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, maximum 1 to 2 minutes to install. Depends on your system configuration. Okay, so let it be. Meanwhile, it is installing. So we will proceed with the next step. Okay, so it is again asking yes or no. Just click on that yes. So see here it is installing. Start installing, copying new files. Okay. So see here, it again the icon again came. Okay, right. So it has been installed. Now just click on that finish button, and you can open your Oracle VirtualBox. It will automatically open. So you can see here, guys, right? We don't have anything. So about Oracle VirtualBox, you have there is import, export, new button, add button. So if you want to add anything, add any VirtualBox operating system, then you can just click on add. You can also, if you want to make yourself configuration, then you have to click on new. So this is the procedure. Let me, okay. So now we have to install Kali Linux in that. So I will go in the Google and Kali Linux OVA file, right, from offensive security. I don't want to, uh, okay, so this one, offensivesecurity.com, Kali Linux custom images download. Okay, right. So this is the website and it will open in this way. If you want this light, here is the option of theme. If you want it in the dark, do in the dark. So if you are a hacker, then definitely you will like dark one, right? So I need a virtual box, right? Virtual machines. So I will just click on that, right? And now you can see here, I got the option of 64-bit, 32-bit of VirtualBox. So if I will click on 32-bit, it will show me for the 32-bit. But I have my system 64-bit. Now question is that where you will see that your laptop or PC having 64-bit or you can say 32-bit, right? So let me go in the properties here. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so we can see here system type is a 64-bit operating system, if you can see, right? So mine one is 64-bit, and check your if your one is 62-bit, sorry 32-bit, then you can just click on that 30-bit to 2-bit. But mine one is 64-bit, so I'm going to click on 64-bit. So here is a button 3.8 GB you can see here. So I'm just going to download from here. Just click on that and your Kali will start downloading. See here. So my speed is less. So it will depend on your internet connection that how much what is the speed uh, you have, that much time it will take. So it's near about 3.7 GB. So if you have a good internet connection, then it will download within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I have already downloaded. So in this way you have to download, and after completing of download, uh, you need to go in the, okay, let me search here. So see here, I have a Kali Linux OVA file. So in this format, you will see the Kali Linux, and you need to just double click on that. Nothing else. You don't need to do anything because it's already a virtual box image. So you have to just click on that, double click on that, and it will start uh, asking you that what are the configuration you want, right? So I will just click on that import. Just make sure that your machine base folder what it is and you are aware about it, correct? So just click on that import. Okay, so what it is saying, it is saying the software license agreement. So obviously you will need to agree. So after clicking on agree, it will start importing the virtual disk image, that is Kali Linux 2021.1. So see here, you can see 1 minute 34 seconds it will take. So I hope you are understanding guys what we are doing, and it's a very simple steps. Hope you are understanding. So firstly, what we done, that firstly we just go in the virtual box and we downloaded the virtual box. Then we just double click on that and installed it, right? So after the installation, we need a VirtualBox machine as well. So that's why we go in the offensive security website, and where we downloaded the Kali Linux VirtualBox image file. Okay, so it is telling me 6 minutes. It will depend on your system configurations. Mine is not that high, not too bad. So it's in my laptop configuration is average, and that's why it's saying 70 minutes. Okay, so it's taking time. Okay, let it be. Let's see how much time it will take. And if that video will be long, I will just cut some parts of that so that you will get to understand, because it's not a thing that you will wait for 7 minutes just to watching this, that it's completing or not. Correct. So I will skip it some more parts till 90% or something. Okay guys, so it's 100% completed, and we can see our Kali Linux object is already completed. So now let me show you some settings, because settings is very important and you need to go in the setting. Okay, go in the network. Okay, so here you need to decide whether you want a bridge network or want a native network. I always choose native network because somehow it just separate the host machine and virtual machine IP. So let's say if your host machine IP is 192 2 dot something, then your if your VirtualBox having native IP, then its IP will be different. It will be 10 dot something. But if you will do the bridge network, then your host IP having near about the same, but the you can say subnet will be changed. So let's say 192.160.8.15.20. Then your virtual box having IP maybe 192.168.15.22 or 23 something, right? So the subnet will just change and nothing else. But anyone get to know that yeah, this IP is linked to that host and can get to know that it's a virtual box. So it's very important that which type of network adapter you are choosing. So in my case, I will choose netted and just press OK. So my you can say, so let's open it. And after opening it, make sure that guys, what is the password? Your password is very important, and the default one is Kali, I guess, for this. Okay, so here it is, Kali Linux. Let me just maximize it, full screen mode, switch. Okay, great. Okay, so it's loading, and you can see here it is asking for the password. So I'm entering Kali, and enter. Okay, so make sure that if you want to just come outside from the full screen, just press the right control and F button. So you can see here, right click and host plus F. So the host is right click control, sorry, right control is your host plus F button. So once you will just uh, enter that, hit that button, you will be out from the full screen mode. So this is the Kali guys, and I hope uh, I'm very clear with that and you have also understood. If there is any question that how to install it and what are the other things in that, you are most welcome to uh, post your questions, and I will be very happy to give you your all answers. So we will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care guys.